The median nerve arises from the brachial plexus in axilla by the two roots, lateral and medial. So the root value of the median nerve is C5 to T1.
Regarding the ulnar nerve arises in the axilla from the medial part of brachial plexus. The root values are C8 and T1. It also receives a contribution from the ventral ramus of C7.
Courses about the median nerve. In the axilla, the median nerve lies on the lateral side of the third part of the axillary artery. It enters the arm at the lower border of teres major.
About the ulnar nerve, in the axilla, the nerve lies medial to the third part of the axillary artery, between the axillary artery and vein.
In the arm, initially the median nerve lies lateral to the brachial artery and then crosses in front of the artery from lateral to medial side at the level of mid-humerus.
The ulnar nerve enters the arm as part of main neurovascular bundle and runs distally along the medial side of the brachial artery up to the mid-arm at the level of insertion of paracobrachialis, where it pierces the medial intermuscular septum to enter the posterior compartment of the arm and runs back downwards to the back of the medial epicondyle of humerus.
In the cubital fossa, the median nerve lies medial to the brachial artery and tendon of biceps brachii. Here it is covered by bicipital aponeurosis, which separates it from the medial cubital vein. Median nerve leaves the cubital fossa by passing between the two heads of pronator teres. At this point, it gives off to the anterior interosseous nerve.
In the cubital fossa, on the back of the medial epicondyle, it is lodged in a groove where it can be easily palpated. The groove is converted into a tunnel called cubital tunnel by a fibrous band extending between the medial epicondyle and olecranon process. The ulnar nerve crosses the ulnar collateral ligament in the floor of the tunnel. The ulnar nerve does not give any branch in the axilla and in the arm.
In the forearm, the median nerve passes downwards behind the tendinous arc or bridge between the two heads of flexor digitorum superficialis and runs deep to the flexor digitorum superficialis. In the mid forearm, the median nerve gives muscular branches. Before entering the carpal tunnel, it gives off its palmar cutaneous branch.
Further, the ulnar nerve enters the forearm by passing between the two heads of flexor carpi ulnaris. In the upper third of the forearm, it runs almost vertically downwards under flexor carpi ulnaris. In the lower two-thirds of the forearm, it becomes superficial and lies lateral to the flexor carpi ulnaris.
In the median nerve enters the palm by passing through carpal tunnel, where it lies deep to the flexor retinaculum and superficial to the tendons of flexor digitorum superficialis, flexor digitorum profundus and flexor pollicis longus and their associated ulnar and radial bursae. In the palm, the median nerve flattens at the distal border of the flexor retinaculum and divides into lateral and medial divisions. The lateral division gives a recurrent branch and the medial division gives off two palmar digital nerves.
The ulnar nerve enters the palm by passing superficial to the flexor retinaculum, lying just lateral to the pisiform. Here the ulnar nerve is covered by a fascial band, the volar carpal ligament. The space under this fascial band is termed ulnar tunnel.
Now, talking about the motor innervations of the median nerve, it supplies all the muscles on the front of the forearm except flexor carpi ulnaris and medial half of flexor digitorum profundus. Also, muscles of the thenar eminence and first two lumbricals.
With respect to the ulnar nerve, the motor innervation is 1.5 muscles of the forearm, flexor carpi ulnaris and medial half of the flexor digitorum profundus, and in the palm all the intrinsic muscles of the hand except for first two lumbricals and muscles of thenar eminence.
Talking about the sensory innervations of the median nerve, palmar aspect of lateral 2/3 of hand and lateral 3.5 digits including their dorsal tips.
Regarding the ulnata, palmar and dorsal aspect of medial 1/3 of hand and medial 1.5 fingers.
Thank you.